Hey guys, today I'm going to make some burgers with gravy or Salisbury steak in the slow cooker. So let's get crocking. I put my crock pot on high and I'm adding 2 cups of beef broth. One's already in there, so that's 2 cups of beef broth in there, and then 1/3 heaping cup of flour. And I'm going to get this all whisked together. I also cut up an onion, so we'll get that in there. And I don't have any mushrooms, but if you like mushrooms, you could add some mushrooms as well. And I'm also going to sprinkle in a little Worcestershire sauce. Just a little like that, just kind of eyeball it. And then some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, that has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. Then we'll get that all mixed up. And we've got a tray of fresh pre-made burger patties here. There was 2 pounds in there when I bought it, but I used half of them to try this recipe out. So this would be 1 pound of burger patties that I'm going to add here. So just going to add all of them. There's 5 of them in there. You can use frozen burger patties as well, or make your own burger patties. That would work too. So we'll just get these in there if they don't all break apart. And I'm going to season these with some kosher salt and the Johnny's seasoned pepper. These overlap a little, but they should be fine. Could always open them and move them around as they cook if you like, but I think they'll be fine that way. And then maybe a little of the Worcestershire sauce on top of the burgers as well. All right, and we'll get the lid on there. And I'm going to let that cook on high for a couple hours until they look done. It's been 2 hours. Let's see how this looks. I think those are done. Those burger patties shrunk up a lot. Burger patties usually do. Anyway, we'll let that cool off a little bit and then we'll try it out. This would be good with mashed potatoes or rice, but I think I'll just put mine on a piece of bread because it's what I have. Alright, let's try this out. Looks like the gravy came out real nice. Looks nice and thick. Get a bite here. With a piece of bread and an onion. That turned out good. That gravy's really good. Guess we'll see if it's Annie approved here. Want to try a bite, Annie? Here you go. Yep, looks like it's Annie approved. That gravy turned out really good in the crock pot. Anyway, I'll write the ingredients in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.